Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: an email, a strong password, Wi-Fi, and power. Tap Settings, and at the top tap Sign into your iPhone to start. If you already have an Apple ID, enter it now and skip ahead. Otherwise, choose Create Apple ID and follow on-screen prompts. Make sure to use a real email you control, because Apple sends verification codes. Once done, you'll add a recovery phone number. This improves account security and speeds future access. Next, you fill in identity details: name, birthday, and the email you chose for your Apple ID. Carefully create a password that meets Apple's rules. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols prevents easy guessing. Enable two-factor authentication when prompted. This ties the account to a trusted device or phone number for verification. Apple will send a code to that email or phone. Enter it to verify. After verification, you'll be asked about iCloud services. To finish, review iCloud options and toggle photos, backups, contacts, and more. These sync your data across devices. You'll see your free 5 GB. Choose a storage plan if you expect heavy use. Sign in on other devices to complete the ecosystem connection. If something fails, first check Wi-Fi and battery, then recheck the verification code and your email inbox. If you still can't sign in, reset the password using the recovery email or phone, or contact Apple support for guided help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.